Welcome back to my YouTube channel HMS Tutorials. Today I am going to start the next topic, can matter change its state. In the last class we have discussed about the properties of gaseous state, and if you have not watched that video, then go and see. Now I am going to first topic, can matter change its state? Yes, matter can change its states. It depends upon the condition of temperature and pressure. The same substance may exist in one of the three states of matter. For example, water can exist as solid, and the solid form of water is ice, and water also exists as liquid, and liquid form of water is water. And in gaseous state, in the gaseous state, steam or water vapor, like in kitchens when we cook food, the water become water vapor and steam. After completing the first topic of this class, can matter change its state, now I am coming into the second topic, effect of change of temperature. The first definition of this topic is melting point. To know what is the meaning of this statement or this word or the definition of this term, we have to know, first of all we have to know what is melt. What is the definition of melting? It is the process in which solid form of matter converts into liquid form by heating is known as melting. The process in which solid form of matter converts into liquid form is by heating is known as melting. Now the definition of melting point is the temperature the temperature at which solid converts into liquid is known as melting point, or the solid melt to convert into liquid. This is the meaning of this statement. Temperature at which solid converts into liquid. For example, take the ice cube from your refrigerator and put it on your hand, and now see that ice after some time it will melt and turn into liquid. Not only on your hand, on the table, on the other surfaces, the ice turns into liquid. That point is known as melting point. Melting point. What is the melting point? First of all, we have discussed about the definition of melting point. The temperature. What is the temperature? The temperature is 273 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin, which is equals to 0 degree Celsius. At 273 Kelvin or 0 degree Celsius, the solid melts to convert into liquid. Now I am going to next topic, or the next definition of this topic. Before going to the next definition, I want to tell you what is Kelvin. Kelvin is SI, unit of temperature. Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. Now I am going to the next definition, latent heat of fusion. And I also want to tell you a thing. Melting is also known as fusion. Now the next definition is latent heat of fusion. What is the meaning of this term? The definition of this term is the amount of heat energy, the amount of heat and energy that is required to convert 1 kg of solid into 1 kg of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure. The amount of heat energy that is required to convert 1 kg of solid into liquid at atmospheric temperature. What is the meaning of this term? Atmospheric pressure. The definition of this term is, I think you all have studied this statement in the 8th class. The pressure which is exerted by the atmosphere or air is known as atmospheric pressure. Now I am going to the next definition. Now the next definition is freezing point. To know this term, we have to, first of all, we have to know what is freezing. What is freezing? It is the process in which liquid converts into solid, in which liquid converts into solid by cooling, and it is also known as solidification. It is also known as solidification. Freezing is the process in which liquids converts into solid by cooling. It is also known as solidification. This is nothing but the converse of melting. And if you take a glass of water and put it in the refrigerator, then after some time, or after 24 hours, after one day, you will see that the water converts into ice. This term this means that the water converts into ice. The next definition is freezing point. The definition of this term is the temperature at which liquid freezes freezes into solid at atmospheric pressure. The temperature at which liquid freezes into solid at atmospheric pressure. Friends, this is all for the today's class. Make sure subscribe and like and also share this video with your friends.